Hello everyone. In my garage getting ready to go. We're getting together to go for a ride to Jersey Shore. We're going to go to a couple of different places on the beach, boathouse, and some other things. So why don't you come along for the ride and come hang out? Good morning. We're at Wawa meeting up for our ride to Tuckerton, which is a borough on the Jersey Shore in Ocean County, New Jersey. Tuckerton is known for its seaport, its Bass River State Forest, and the Lizzie Rose Music Room. It's basically a nonprofit, and in the music room, it's a listening room, not a bar or restaurant, and it has a variety of different music featuring blues, jazz, bluegrass, country, rock, soul, singer-songwriters, and much more. We're here at the Viking Yachting Center. It's located on the Bass River. This has some beautiful views. A lot of boats will come up and hang out, and they're right behind us, which you'll see shortly, is the Breezes Dock Bar and Grill. But if you can see from the pictures, it's a nice little spot just to pull up with your boat or with your bikes and come on down and hang out and just check out the view right here on the water. Any day you can be on the water and a beautiful day is a good day. Breezes Dock Bar and Grill is a family-run restaurant and bar with both indoor and outdoor seating. It's a true local spot that offers casual waterfront dining, fresh seafood, and live music on the weekends. Whether you're planning a day out with drinks or friends or just a night out, just to let loose and come hang out. This is the boys hanging out, just checking out some of the views and some of the boats that are about to open up and be out on the water. What are you looking at, Brett? As you can see, it's not very busy, but later on in the day, it becomes more packed as the day goes on. Good food, good drinks, good little hangout. I highly recommend it if you're ever in the area and you want to check it out. Billy Heitzman and his fellow Rolling Thunder members came to meet us. It's a good little spot to hang out, so it was good to see him. Billy's a longtime friend from 30-something years ago. We used to go to high school together. Now, afterwards, we went to take a ride, and of course, you got to hit every red light on the way home, or it wouldn't be a ride. Beautiful roads just to chill out and enjoy the rest of the ride with your fellow buddies. Whenever you can do that's great. You should join us at DFITMOTO on Instagram and hit us up for a ride. Stopping for some refreshments, just to take a quick little break, gotta go pee, etc., all that good stuff, and then we'll head on the way home. Remember to subscribe to the channel, check out the end pictures and everything, and we'll see you soon here at DFITMOTO.